Ohio State eliminates DEI leadership position. Former Senior Vice Provost, Wendy Smooth returns to faculty. Ohio State University has removed a key leadership position focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) efforts, marking a significant shift in its administrative structure. Wendy Smooth, who previously served as the Senior Vice Provost of Inclusive Excellence, stepped down from her role and returned to a faculty position on January 31st. According to an email sent on January 9th by then-interim Executive Vice President and Provost Carla Zadnik, Smooth has resumed her professorship in the College of Arts and Sciences Department of Women's, Gender, and Sexuality Studies. University spokesperson Ben Johnson confirmed the position's elimination, but did not provide further details beyond the information in Zadnik's email. Despite multiple requests for comment, Smooth has not responded. Context of the decision. The removal of Smooth's role comes amid a broader trend of DEI policy changes across Ohio and the nation. On January 31st, the Ohio Senate passed Senate Bill 1 in a 21-11 vote, which, if signed into law, would significantly restructure DEI programs in public higher education. This move has faced strong opposition, with hundreds of Ohioans testifying against the bill at the State House prior to the vote. On a national level, DEI initiatives are also facing challenges. The Trump administration previously issued orders restricting DEI policies in federally funded programs, impacting universities that rely on government grants for research and projects. Role and responsibilities of the eliminated position. Smooth's former role as Senior Vice Provost for Inclusive Excellence was established to help integrate DEI principles across Ohio State's institutional framework. According to a May 2022 Ohio State News article, her responsibilities included overseeing the Office of Diversity and Inclusion, ODI, the Office of Institutional Equity, OIE, and the Kirwan Institute for the Study of Race and Ethnicity. Following the elimination of Smooth's position, Zadnik clarified in her email that ODI and the Kirwan Institute will continue reporting through the Office of Academic Affairs, OAA, as they did prior to 2022. Johnson confirmed that OIE has always reported to OAA and will maintain this structure. Sarah Childers, the current Assistant Vice Provost for Inclusive Excellence, stated that she is unaware of the specific reasons for Smooth's position being cut. As far as impact to Inclusive Excellence staff, the structure returned to as it was before the position was created in 2022, Childers explained in an email. University's next steps. Ohio State President Ted Carter Jr. addressed these policy changes in an email to students, faculty, and staff, acknowledging the shifting legislative landscape and its potential effects on the university. To navigate these changes, Ohio State has launched a website to serve as a central resource for information on new state and federal policies. In terms of DEI, Carter announced that the university is forming working groups to review its DEI-related positions and programming. Our goal is to ensure that we have a full picture of the university's work in this area and can be positioned to make changes if state or federal law requires it, or if we decide a different approach is in the university's best interests, Carter stated. As Ohio State reevaluates its DEI efforts, the impact of these administrative changes remains to be seen, both within the university and in the broader landscape of higher education.